Hello dear student, this is second video of the chapter number 4, The Enemy by P.S. Buck. As I had told you in my last video that I will give you details of all characters in my second video. So listen, this is first character, Dr. Sadao, and these are about him. Dr. Sadao is a Japanese surgeon and scientist. As I had told you in my first video also, he was Japanese surgeon and scientist. तो वो एक सर्जन भी है और साइंटिस्ट भी है. He was brought up by his father who was a Taj Japani. तो उसका पालन पोषण उसके फादर के द्वारा किया गया था, जो कि उसके फादर ही वॉज वेरी जेनरस पर्सन, स्टाच पर्सन, devoted to his culture, and he was devoted to his culture also. Dr. Sadao became a skillful doctor and scientist to fulfill his father's wish, and further in the story, according to the guidance of his father, Dr. Sadao became a skillful doctor and scientist to fulfill his father's wishes. His father sent him to America to study medicine, and his father has also sent him, Mr. Sadao, to America to study about the medicine. He wanted him to study for the benefit of his country, and this is the desire, this is the wish of his father, that he want him to study for the benefit of his country. वो ये चाहते थे कि उनका लड़का जो सदाव है वो देश की भलाई के लिए पढ़े. Dr. Sadao didn't even marry Hannah without his father's approval. He was so skilled that the general was totally dependent on him. The general has blindly faith in him, which exemplifies him as a skillful and expert surgeon. तो जो सेना का जनरल था वो भी सदाव पे बहुत ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट था, और ये एग्जेम्पलीफाइज करता है एज ए स्किलफुल एंड एक्सपर्ट सर्जन फॉर मिस्टर सदाव. And Dr. Sadao was also a loving husband and a good father. So he was loving husband too. He was full of his responsibility towards his family and wife. He consults and respects his wife. वो अपनी वाइफ से भी राय लेता है और उसका सम्मान भी करता है. He is worried about the future of his kids in case he is arrested. और उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा सा वरी हो रहा था, चिंता हो रही थी कि यदि उसने एक PWO को सेव किया है, एक अमेरिकन कैदी को सेव किया है, तो वो डर भी रहा था कि कहीं वो अरेस्ट हो जाएगा तो फिर then what will be about the future of his kids. So you can say that he is a very caring person also, because he cares very much about his wife and kids also. He is meticulous and finally finds out a middle path. He feels happy to save the life of an American and to secure his and his family's future too. And listen dear student, this is second character, Hannah. As I had told you that Hannah is wife of Dr. Sadao. Hannah is an ideal wife, mother and true Japani. तो ये भी एक मदर भी है, ट्रू जापानी भी है, एंड शी इज़ आइडियल वाइफ. शी इज़ patriotic and humanitarian. With her compassionate heart, she supports her husband in his each and every decision. So she is very supporting lady. She supports her husband also in each and every decision. वो अपने हस्बैंड के डिसीजन का रिस्पेक्ट भी करती है, उनका सपोर्ट भी करती है. And who is her husband? You know already, Dr. Sadao is her husband. Though she does not like the idea of saving the enemy. So listen dear student, इसके बाद भी वो चूँकि she respects her husband decision, while she does not like the idea of saving the enemy, the American prisoner of war. She cannot neglect that before being an enemy, he was a human being first. She is a dignified lady who carries herself in a very controlled way, विदाउट सेक्रीफाइसिंग हर डिग्निटी। तो वो बहुत ही केयरफुल लेडी है, वो अपने आत्मसम्मान का भी ध्यान देती है। शी कंट्रोल्ड वे विदाउट सेक्रीफाइसिंग हर डिग्निटी। When the servants refused to continue their services and defy her orders, वो उस समय भी अपने आप को कंट्रोल रखती है कि जब उसकी सर्वेंट उसको रिफ्यूज़ कर दे रहे हैं। Like any caring mother, she is worried about the future of her children. As Dr. Sadao was also very caring person, and her wife is also very caring person. Like any caring mother, she is worried about the future of her children. एक caring mother की तरह से वो भी अपने बच्चों के फ्यूचर के बारे में चिंता करती है। In case Dr. Sadao is arrested for keeping the American in his house, और वो इसलिए वो चिंता करती है कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि डॉक्टर सदाओ ने एक अमेरिकन को सेव किया है, अपने हाउस में रख के उसकी लाइफ को बचाया है, तो इसमें उसका जेल हो जाए, वो अरेस्ट हो जाए। देन इन सच ए टाइम शी विल बी अलोन, सो शी वरीड अबाउट द फ्यूचर ऑफ हर चिल्ड्रेन। Despite being worried, tensed, and scared, she never loses her cool amid critical situation. And in such a condition, she never loses her cool and amid critical situation also. So listen, dear student, this is the third character, Tom, the American PWO. As I had told you, यही वो अमेरिकन प्रिजनर है। Tom was the American prisoner of war who was shot and had escaped. Dr. Sadao found him on the shore outside his house, और डॉक्टर सदाओ को वो मिल जाता है on the shore outside his house, उसके घर के बाहर, उसके घर के सामने, in rest condition, और वो बहुत ही रेस्ट कंडीशन में पाया जाता है। He had bled a lot and had a deep wound, और उसका बहुत ज़्यादा रक्त बह चुका था, उसके बॉडी में डीप वोंड थे, गहरे जख्म दिखलाई दे रहे थे। He might have faced tortures and pain and suffering, तो उसकी जो बॉडी की कंडीशन थी, द बॉडी कंडीशन ऑफ this prisoner was telling everything that he might have faced tortures, कि उसने टॉर्चर को फेस किया है, and pain and suffering. Dr. Sadao saved his life by operating upon him and taking out the bullet, और डॉक्टर सदाओ उसकी लाइफ को बचा लेता है, उसकी बॉडी से बुलेट को निकालता है, उसको गोलियां लगी हुई थी उसको निकालता है। एंड सो फर्स्टली डॉक्टर सदाओ being a doctor, he want to save the life of this prisoner. Tom displayed a fighting spirit which was evident from his speedy recovery. He is surprised and overwhelmed by the generosity of Dr. Sadao and Hannah, और वो जो prisoner रहता है वो इन दोनों के जेनरसिटी से, उदारता से काफ़ी ओवरवेल्म्ड हो जाता है, आत्मविभोर हो जाता है। He did not want to leave their house as he felt secure there, and also he did not want to leave their house. वो उन लोगों के घर छोड़ के जाना नहीं चाहता था, because he was feeling secure and he was feeling safe there. He was thinking that his life will be saved there when he live in the house of Dr. Sadao and Hannah. वो सोचता है कि इन लोगों के साथ वो रहेगा तो उसका जीवन बच सकता है। Finally, with the help of Dr. Sadao, he is able to escape, और लास्ट में उसकी जान बचा ली जाती है। So listen, dear student, this is character number 4, the general. The general is Japan's army general. तो ये जापान का आर्मी का जनरल रहता है। He is Dr. Sadao's patient, and he was old and ailing and had faith only in Dr. Sadao for treatment. That is one of the reasons that Dr. Sadao was not sent aboard with the Japanese army. The general himself was educated at Princeton and had more faith in the doctor trained in America than in Germany, as according to him, Americans had sentiments but the Germans were cruel. तो The general himself was educated at Princeton and had more faith in the doctor trained in America. तो जो जनरल था वो वैसे डॉक्टरों में ज़्यादा विश्वास करता था जो अमेरिका में ट्रेनिंग लेते थे. एंड डॉक्टर सदाव हैज ऑल्सो टेकन ट्रेनिंग इन अमेरिका. Then in general, as according to him, Americans had sentiments. और उस जनरल के अकॉर्डिंग ये पता चल रहा है कि Americans had sentiments, कि अमेरिकन लोगों के पास sentiments होता है, but the Germans were cruel. लेकिन जो जर्मन होते हैं वो काफ़ी क्रूएल होते हैं, निर्दयी होते हैं. He assured Dr. Sadao of help in getting rid of the American soldiers. और उसने सदाव को ये विश्वास दिलाया कि वो उसकी मदद करेगा उसको बचाने में, क्योंकि सदाव ने एक गलती कर दिया था उस अमेरिकन सोल्जर को बचाकर. बट ड्यू टू हिज सेल्फ एब्जॉर्प्शन इन हिज एलिमेंट ही फॉरगॉट व्हेन डॉक्टर सदाव टोल्ड हिम. जब डॉक्टर सदाव ने उसे बताया अबाउट द एस्केप ऑफ द वाइट मैन, कि उसने एक वाइट मैन को बचाया है, ही टुक द ब्लेम ऑन हिमसेल्फ. तो वो जनरल बड़ा ही ऑनेस्ट पर्सन था, जेनरस पर्सन था. वो उसके ब्लेम को अपने पे ले लेता है एंड सेव डॉक्टर सदाव, और डॉक्टर सदाव को बचा लेता है. द जनरल नेव द वर्थ ऑफ द डॉक्टर सदाव एज ए सर्जन बिकॉज ही नोज द वैल्यूज ऑफ अ सर्जन एंड एज अ साइंटिस्ट डिड नॉट वांट टू लॉस हिम. और वो एक साइंटिस्ट भी था डॉक्टर सदाव, इसलिए जनरल उसको खोना नहीं चाहता था. सो प्रोटेक्टेड हिम टिल द एंड, और इसलिए वो अंत तक उसको बचाता है. So dear student, I will continue the next thing about the next character, the servants, the Americans and Sardav's father in my next video. Thank you for watching. Hello dear student, this is third video of class 12th chapter The Enemy. And in my second video I have told you about the characters of this chapter, how many characters are used in the chapter, and I have told you there are mainly 7 characters are used. About 4 characters I have told you in my second video, and this is the character number 4. Listen. The servants of the doctor and his wife grudgingly accept the fact that their employees are giving aid and comfort to the enemy. तो जो डॉक्टर के सर्वेंट्स आते हैं और उनकी वाइफ उन लोगों ने ये स्वीकार कर लिया कि जो डॉक्टर है वो उन लोगों के इनेमी का हेल्प कर रहा है. फॉर वाइल एनी वे जस्ट एज रेसिस्ट टुवर्ड्स वाइट्स एज द हॉकिस. द इवेंचुअली चूज नेशनलिस्टिक प्राइड ओवर ह्यूमन कंपेशन एंड क्विट. एंड दिस इज द नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर्स, द अमेरिकन्स. Near the end of the story, as Sadao contemplates his utter hatred of white man, और लास्ट में कहानी के लास्ट में सदाव को ये भी याद आ जाता है कि उसके प्रति कैसा हैट्रेड वर्ड यूज़ किया गया था. एंड वंडर्स व्हाई ही डिडंट जस्ट किल टॉम, और फिर वो सोचता है कि वो टॉम को क्यों नहीं किल कर दिया. ही रिफ्लेक्ट्स अपॉन हिज टाइम स्टडिंग मेडिसिन इन अमेरिका. His recollection fills in the blank somewhat. The reader learns why he is so profoundly prejudiced. At the same time, wherever, however, these memories also reveal the equally profound irrationality of his hatred. The story he recalls are all about nice Americans who treated him well. So, and this is the last character. This is last character, Sadav's father. As I had told you, only 7 characters are used. So this is the character number 7, Sadav's father. The doctor's father is dead during the time period in which the story takes place. तो उस समय डॉक्टर के जो फादर थे, पेरेंट्स थे सदाव के, वो डेड कर चुके थे. in which the story takes place and only appears in flashback. लेकिन वो सिर्फ जो है फ्लैशबैक में आते थे, यादों में चले आते थे. जब डॉक्टर उनको याद करता था, अपने अतीत को याद करता था, तो ही ऑल्सो रिमेंबर्स हिज फादर. दिस फ्लैशबैक्स टू सदाव एज अ यंग बॉय and the part that the older man played in his son's marriage reveal the true origin of the irrational racism of Dr. Sadao Hockey. So, dear student, these are the 7 characters which are mainly used in this story, and I think you will understand everything. So, thank you for watching this video.